day one of cooking my way through the New York Times cookbook. This year, I'm challenging myself to be a better cook. So I picked up this beast of a book and I'm going to work my way through one recipe at a time. Let's go. I picked this recipe specifically to start with because it pushes myself just a little bit outside of my comfort zone, but it also still feels like it's in my skill level. I tend to cook the same meals over and over and over for myself day after day, so I'm really excited to try new things and kind of broaden my horizons on this journey. I honestly had never even heard of a stuffed pork chop before this recipe, but it sounded good, so I'm excited to try it. Make sure you're following along so you don't miss any of this journey. See you soon.